hello, dear my students, those are watching this video today. I am with Dr. Bhavya, and she is from Kerala, working as a dentist in India. And today we're going to talk for a success story uh, regarding Germany. And it was hard work, both of side, and she received successfully German visa. And today we are going to talk to her about her journey towards the Germany. So, hello, Bhavya.
Hi, sir.
So, Bhavya, could you please give introduction about your side? You can tell about your introduction, then we can go further.
Okay, so my name is Bhavya. I completed my BDS from Pune about 2 years back. I did my fellowship after that, and I was working in a private clinic for about 2.5 years. So I was looking at options to move to Germany, and that's when I came across Welcare Overseas Education Consultancy, and I rang up the number that was mentioned, and it connected to Dr. Naresh. And then very soon his team gave me all the details about the process and how they would support and what the process was. They explained to me very clearly, and that is how I began my journey with.
So, Bhavya, now you have already visa, and how it was difficult the journey for you, because this is long-term process, that, correct?
Yes,
So
yes.
people always lose their patience, but I think we have done on time, and we are lucky enough, both of, so we made it in right way. So what difficulties or easiness you found with us to doing your process?
So during my process, the only difficult phase was the delay to get the deficit letter, but that is not in our hands. It is we can't do anything. We just have to be patient and wait. But as on behalf of the consultancy, I think as soon as I got my documents, sir and his team, they were very quick to process everything. And as soon as I got my deficit letter, the very same day we had our visa appointment slot, and sir almost immediately connected me to his team for the visa process, and then the team for the blocked account and everything. So I had a lot of clarity with how to go ahead, and I was not lost. Like I had an exact idea of this is how I have to do everything. So that was good.
Even I think I remember the day of your visa submission.
Yes,
The
yes, yes,
VFS people not going to accept your document.
yes, yes.
And
They
how
were
we sort
saying they,
out that? Yeah, that
yeah,
also you
they
can talk. Yeah.
yeah. Actually, the day of the visa appointment was also very messy. They did not know how to process my document because they were confused, like this is going to a language school, but this is also not a master student. So they didn't know how to proceed with it. So then I called sir from the visa office, and luckily he picked up that time because they were about to reject my application. They were saying that like we cannot proceed. So then sir explained to the lady personally like how the conditions were different, and cases for dentists and doctors were they were dealt differently, not like a master student. So after that they took my documents.
Yeah. So sometimes even they also don't know like how to do that. But we
Yeah.
have experience past 20 years. We do same. So we
Mhm.
know sometimes because they in VFS also new staffs coming and they don't know about some because but they give
Yeah.
the categories there. Okay. But
Yes.
they are
Yes.
not aware of those things. Those are newcomers there as so
Yes.
sometimes it's
Mhm.
happened, but we know that's why they accept and they understand. Otherwise,
Mhm.
they won't accept it. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Further we go. So how you how do you feel our work? What the transparency? How we kept with you? Have you found anything like we didn't you didn't know anything in the process?
No, the whole process was very transparent. Like at every step, I was explained what you are doing and what I should expect. Everything was explained very clearly.
Because people don't tell this and that this will happen, that will happen, but we
Mm.
are from beginning we explain, okay doctor, this will be the process, how it will go, that much time it will take to those all things, and I think it was clear to you, correct?
Yes.
So finally, You got the visa for Germany, and I hope you're traveling on 14th March next month. Correct?
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you have your visa, those are watching your
yeah,
friends, your junior, your senior. If someone is planning to go Germany and want to work as a dentist or post graduation, they also choose the plan how we are doing it. So you can show your visa copy. So they can. Sometimes people need some proof whether Bhavya is
yeah.
going to Germany or not.
This is my visa copy.
Yes. So dear students, you can see Bhavya visa copy. So this is what like how I feel happy for you. And finally, my questions like how our agency or our organization helpful to you throughout the process. And if upcoming any students, what do you want to suggest them about us?
The main thing is that if we plan to do it ourselves, most of the information about this process is in German. So it is very difficult for us to know what the process. And once we send the deficit letter, there is no communication from that side in the waiting period. So all that will cause a lot of uncertainty and a lot of stress. So when we do it through Search Institution and Welcare Overseas Education, then we have someone to communicate with. And since they have the experience of sending so many students to Germany, and they can really support us at every step, and they can clarify all our doubts. And Sir personally will clarify everyone's doubts. So we don't have to take the stress of the bureaucratic part or the paperwork part of the process. So that is the biggest advantage.
So what is your suggestion to upcoming students? They dream Germany. What do you want to give to them suggestion? Whom they have
Yeah,
to
it's
choose? Because many are there in India. Those are misguided, have been cheated, money
yes,
lost. I have seen so many, and later they come to us and we do the process. So that is important in the process. Transparency, believing each other, trust, which is important.
yes,
The trust
yes,
and faith, if you do, and the process go in right way, then it all is okay. Correct. So these things, so many happen. That's why I'm asking you, what do you suggest upcoming students and whom they have to choose? Very
yeah.
important question.
I will certainly suggest that you can go with Welcare Overseas Education because there are many people you can talk to who have gone through their own agency, and everyone will tell you that it's a great experience and it's very transparent throughout. They don't hide anything or everything, whatever is happening, every single money that we pay is accounted for. We know exactly what is happening, why we are paying, and everything. So we can 100% you can trust the agency and go ahead with it.
So now your father also happy. So your dreams
Yeah,
going to
happy.
come true for Germany. Because it's
Yes,
not easy to get German visa. You know that.
yes, yes,
I hope your father also happy and you also happy. And not
yes,
only in India, when you are in Germany, whenever you need my help, I'm always available for you and always we are there to guide you. Okay?
sir.
Not even for
Thank you.
this, even 5 years after also, if you contact me, I will be the same person. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your time and I wish you
Thank you,
best
sir.
of luck. Go ahead, future, and do well in your future. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.